My video is only for educational purposes. In this video, I will tell you more about the ransomware called Ma1x0. You'll find out how damaging this ransomware infection is for the files. I want to mention it again that I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting with this ransomware. My video is only for educational purposes. For those people who cannot hear me correctly, I'm gonna say it again. I am not related to this ransomware. If you want me to spell that phrase, make sure you write it down in the comments and I will spell it for you if you could not hear me properly. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Ma1x0 ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and so very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. This particular ransomware encrypts the files and it damages the files considerably. So you can see this mess on the screen taking place, and eventually users realize that they can no longer access all their data, all their files. They are just no longer available. The ransomware encrypts files and damages the data considerably. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note titled as "How to Restore." So it says that the victims need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. The ransomware is called like that because it appends this Ma1x0 extension to the file names, and indeed, the files are no longer accessible. What I recommend you to do is to urgently remove this ransomware. Do not pay the ransom. Do not waste your money. To remove this ransomware, you need to go to your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So, through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Let's try to do it once again. combocleaner.com. Download the application through this official website, combocleaner.com. You'll see a special green download Combo Cleaner button here. Then, after the software is downloaded, it is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. So click on the Start Scan button. The application would first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this very important step, because this is crucial for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the systems. Some threats can be removed manually, some threats can be found in the reports, but I recommend you to upgrade to premium license. You can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus at any time. And speaking about file decryption, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. However, Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to remove this ransomware. You may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.